please disappoint me again.
Guys, that thing just came on today. I promise you, it wasn't on yesterday. I wanted to actually brag today and be like, nah, this thing's off today.
Oh!
For the first time, it's off. For the first.
I knew it, my banner.
Just wait. Away, man, sir. Welcome back to the channel. I wanted to tell you what we are doing today, but it wouldn't help much to say what we're doing today because then you're not gonna watch the video till the end. I think this is gonna be the first. I have to change gears. I don't know how you guys do this. I think first modification on the car, over the radio. First modification on the car. That's gonna be a success. But yeah, just stick around. Just stick around, watch the video, and oh shit. Hey you guys, I think you guys remember Amo from the previous video. He said he's on this road past Windscreens. Where's the guy, bro? He's gonna take his time walking. So why did you have to open this door now?
I'm just
What's that?
Mana did you?
Can I go, man? Hey. What you say, my boy? No, keep up about jealous voice. I give you the guys. Oh.
Just check.
Hey, but this car feels like it's getting worse, bro.
It's getting water. Water.
No, but seriously, though. Away, man, sir. You probably remember this guy.
You're doing that thing you did there.
What did I do there?
You're showing the part of.
No, that showed your whole body, but I promise. I promise it showed your whole body. You guys remember this guy? He's back on the channel. Yeah, but let's just get in the car because this dog is gonna bark the whole time.
Let them don't hide
the Remember in the previous video, I was asking for the fly fragrance. Remember? Previous video. Ha! Guess what? We got a whole stash. But more than that though.
Yeah, birds in the trap, they gon'
So if you guys need a bit of fragrance, just text me or send me a DM or I think this is the first edit that's gonna come right on the channel, on the car, because it's something that I can't do, something that Amo can't do, something that... Away, kijk waar! But I'll see you guys now.
So YouTube, yeah.
YouTube. Wat zeg je goed, man?
Rustig,
yeah. Rustig. Guys, this is what I wanted to get, bro. Deep down inside, this is what I wanted to get, bro. This thing is clean.
Zo van vooraf checken.
Hoe is maken swap, bro?
Huh?
Hoe is maken swap?
Ja, dat zoek ik lijkt een bankje.
Straight video. Yeah.
Guys, it's not an interview. It's not an interview.
No, I'm just asking.
Standard. Nothing like only the headlights and stuff. But the engine is still standard.
Now imagine you see the same thing he has, ne? Hij klein lichten daar. Hij klein lichten met Aiden.
Ja, goed.
Ik heb even een man. Greetings.
Check your work.
Veilig wees met Boetan, hè?
Ja, goed dan.
Maar this thing's lines weer daar. Kijk.
Oh fuck.
How's your phone fucking 5%, bruh?
I don't know.
How's your phone 5%, bruh? It is like 10 o'clock in the morning, bruh.
That way.
What way? Right, left, straight.
That one.
Hey.
Left now.
Left.
Yeah.
This is straight, bruh. How can you go left?
Straight when you are here. Yeah.
600 meters, make a slide right. Where the fuck do you make a slide right here?
Listen to the shit. Just go straight. Hot mana? Illegal. Don't you know Ace Fitment Center? Fuck off.
Next.
Yeah, sweet donkey.
Why is everybody in suits here, brother? Everybody's... Ask them.
Oh, groot mana? Hello? Do you guys know where Ace Fitment Center is? Ace Fitment Center. Yeah. Thank you.
Oh yeah, guys, we just got here now. Ace, Fitment Center.
Cheap repair, solar tinting. What do they mean, solar tinting?
They tint your solar.
Cap.
Goeiemorgen ze. Onder het dakje. Ik ga naar welke olielekje los, ne?
Ach, moet niet worry.
Is het oké?
Are you leaking oil? Or did you just say?
Did I just say what, Anne?
Did you just say you're leaking oil while you're not leaking oil?
Nee, it does leak a bit of olie.
But I haven't seen that in your yard or anything.
Yeah, but I don't know when it leaks olie.
Volgens moet die auto in veel afvallen of wel? Wacht even, als ik...
Dag zeg, nee, geen probleem, kom. Yes sir. Ik weet niet, wat zou je voorstellen? Die achterste enige, ne? Dus van in de back. Goed deze. Kom, sorry man, ik kan maar aan je gezicht nog zo. Dus bijna, dat is Kamu en dat is Amu. So, dus, ja. Die tent die achter, nee, wil ik graag afval, want hij is nou, ja.
So je punt is om hem donkerder te krijgen.
Als zo donker als mogelijk.
Oké, ja kijk, hierdie kan ons kan niet ten boord zetten, want hij donkerder is. Maar ik ga net die kracht in goed wegsteek, gelukkig niet.
Yes sir.
Net met zo hier en daar ook geen kapje.
Wat zou je voorstellen om af te halen en dan van vooraf iets anders op te zetten?
Kijk, die ding is, dit vat maar een tijdje om hem af te halen, soms zou het nog gewoonlijk per uur verdraaien.
Oké.
So, als ons hom kan afval, betekent vir my maklik af, betekent dat hy maar 'n
Dat
rukkie.
is moeilijk.
Yes. So
Kom
dit
ons-
hang maar van jou af. Soos ek sê, lyk nie te bad nie. Ons kan nie ten boord plak, daar's geen probleem met dit nie.
Oké, ja. Center gewys is ook niet zo baie diep nie. So I think, ja, kom ons hou de achterzinnetje af. En dan die twee voorstels of die andere vensters kan ons net oorrompelen. Als het mogelijk is.
Yes?
Alsjeblieft.
Ek dink er wel, hy is die expert, hy kan spelen die dopie doen.
Je gaat maybe in je gezicht vandaag heen, hè. Gaan ons daar kan moet afval.
Kijk, as ons een afval gaan, ons moet allemaal afval.
Oeh, ja, we gaan allemaal eens aan de leek.
Dit
Nee.
hier nie match nie, yes.
No, when the jacket comes off, man. When the jacket comes off, my boy. You know. Alright, guys. We just got to Ace Fitment Center. They said it's possible that they can put the tint over this tint, the current tint, if it's not too bad. But then on the one window, there's a slight little crack, meaning not all the windows will be the same tint if they just cover up the one window. But financial wise, but I hope you guys do enjoy the video. I'll just ask the guys now for a short interview so they can tell us what they do and what they can offer you guys if you want to take your car here. It's in Bloemfontein, next to, what is it? Brommer.
Bomber.
Man.
Just say bomb.
Is it Bremer or Brommer now?
Beamer.
Bremer.
Bomb.
It's spelled Boma, but you pronounce it Bremer.
Bremer. So let's go with Bremer. So I'm just gonna ask them so he can let you guys know what they do, what they offer for you guys. Yes sir. Kort, what are you doing now?
This is film off.
Film off.
Film off, yeah. We always joking calling it flame off. It loosens the tint so it comes off easier.
So just not like normal liquid, there's some special stuff in there.
It's a chemical, definitely, yes.
Also no sunlight gebrekers no.
Die sunlight gebruik ons om die tint op te sit.
Wow,
We
nou
put,
net
we put the tint on with the sunlight. Removing, we use this one.
yeah, no, that's how we came to the professionals. This is what the guys is doing there. This is the tint. So what percentage is this?
20%.
20%. Is that a legal iniki?
Legal limit is 35%.
So ons is op het. It's not too bad, ne? It's not too bad. No, we wouldn't have done all of this, bro. Just the fast one.
It goes on the inside, just all your prep work is on the outside.
Oh, yeah, but I think it's a good thing we came to professionals. We would have done our own nonsense here.
This tint's not gonna come off easy.
Oh, la, la. What's the difference between normal tint and smash and grab?
The thickness. Smash and grab is thicker, so it's stronger.
So is it a case when you break it, it doesn't like break into pieces, it stays the same, or?
Yes, it basically makes it a sort of a shatterproof glass.
Oh.
Doesn't make it unbreakable, but when it does break, it doesn't shatter into pieces. Yes, exactly. So when someone comes to rob you, smashes your window, it keeps it. Let's say they take 10 shots to break it instead of one.
One shot.
It will break on the first one, but it won't fall apart.
Yes. So it won't just give in.
So it's a safety feature.
Ibra. Ibra. You're charging your phone.
Kinda.
No, I'm saying you're charging your phone. Ne? And the car is off. I don't have a Willard's battery, Baba.
We'll charge it when you leave.
No, I'm saying take it off.
Oh. I should have said.
If it was a Willard's battery, yeah. No, I'm good. Yeah, no, this is a lot of more work than I thought. Okay, guys. I think I'm just gonna give them some space so they can do their things. But I'll just take a video or time lapse while they're working. And yeah, but I hope you guys do enjoy the video so long. Like I said, guys, if it's possible, please do support local businesses, man. I think they put in a lot of more detail into their stuff than just doing the job and getting it done. So do support local businesses. Professionals. But yeah, I'll see you guys now. Enjoy.
Mommy tryna touch the whole game. Must be easy. What's your friend's name? Way too easy. Militant man. Nick Freeze.
It's not too dark.
It doesn't look dark now, but as soon as the whole car is done,
Oh, and then everything is closed.
and everything is closed, and you'll see it's nice and dark.
And then help me wash the car, ne?
Yep.
I thought you were gonna say no.
The foam comes off quite easily, but the glue, these days not so much there. Sometimes when you remove the foam,
Nah, I think this is stuff that we wouldn't have done. That's how we came to the professionals.
Like, looks nice.
Ne?
Like, looks nice. Like, nah. Wow. I was against this 20% thing.
Oh, you against 20%?
I know, I was in 14, 15. You know. I was
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Someone said in the comment 20.
Oh, so you took the advice. Okay.
No, it's not that I took their advice. It's not
I'm offended, bro. I'm
that I took their advice.
I'm offended.
Remember, I wanted the darkest there is, brother. This is nice, brother. Like, especially when all the doors are closed. Come check. I know it's on the outside, ne? I know it's on the outside, but check.
So here's the pamphlet with your invoice. And there's all the services that we offer. You're welcome to contact us in the future if you need anything else. Also, thanks a lot for supporting my business and, you know, putting the video out and everything. I do appreciate that a lot.
No problem, man. I do appreciate the service.
Great stuff.
I do appreciate it big time.
Always.
And they're done. That was way faster than I thought. Ooh. That looks nice, bro. Hey, see those bubbles?
K9 is probably not.
Are those bubbles now? Those bubbles are gone.
The dot on the K9, you're gonna have to change it.
The
Must
dark
I make-
color matches the dark color of the car as well.
So must I make the dot white? Or must I keep it like that?
I don't know, but it looks darker now. People won't see
They don't see the dot.
What's that?
That small little dot there on the K9.
Didn't see that.
You see, now you see it from this side.
Oh, the rounded.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay. Windscreen, automotive glass. Windscreen chip repairs. We do all automotive glass, side glasses, rear windows, all those. We do flat building glass as well, and we also do tinting on all the glasses, vehicles and buildings. Definitely.
So here's the number. I'll have the number in the description below, guys. Everything they do, windscreen and chip repair, all automotive. Our guys, they just finished. The bubbles at the back are gone. Fast. The tint is mad. The tint is mad.
It's lekker.
The tint is mad.
It's lekker.
I like it, brother. Yes, sir.
Now there's 3 things that I believe in.
Yes, sir.
48 hours not allowed to wind the windows up and down. 48 hours not allowed to wash the windows on the inside. Outside you can still wash as normal. And if there's sun, 48 hours in the sun. The more sun, the better.
The more sun, the better.
Yes, the reason why we say all of this, there's still a lot of water between the film and the glass.
Yes, sir.
So if you wind it up and down now, there's a possibility the film can move. And the more sun it gets, the quicker that water will dry out.
Oh, okay. So we can wash it, but just on the outside, not the
Outside,
inside.
Not the inside.
Okay. And this, how long is the warranty again?
5 years.
5 years. What you gonna order, bruh? I almost rolled down the window now.
Hello, how are you?
Good things yourself, man.
I'm good, sir.
Can I please get one, 2 quarter pounders,
Watermelon McFeast.
1 watermelon McFeast, please. The ice thingy, man.
Sorry?
That ice thing.
Iced tea.
No, not that. The
The frappe.
no, not that, man. The other one, I don't know what you call it. In the ice, it's orange. Mango, I don't know what you call it, man.
Mango frappe.
No, it's not that, man. It's the other one. I don't know what the name is.
Strawberry frappe.
No, it's not that, man. Can I be so doing, man? Drinking ya na maya bahata chi.
Get frappe.
Ke mango frappe.
Yes.